Hello guys, how are you? Today I will repair the furniture, very old furniture, dull wood furniture. I made this one to fill the cracks. This is sand, wood sand, and with the wood glue. This is a wood glue in it. I will mix it. I put it in this hole over here. It was crack, and I fill it up, but it's still wet. Then to make this one like light brown color finish to whole chair. This whole chair, this light brown, this is still wet. I put the paste of this one, the wood sand in it, and here too. And so I make this one. That's base color of the wood. It will give brown. If you want to do dark color, you put a dark color afterward that. I use U-Bond, acrylic 100, or you can use wood glue too. Brown color, and this one fine crystal. We call it plaster of Paris. That's the name of this. This is like a cement, but it's good for the base for the wood. And I applied over here all my chairs. This one, look, it looks good. I will set it down, and I will tell you after that. I did this one too. This one. Over here, the paste of that is still wet. Look, still wet. So it will take time to be dry. After 3-4 days, it will take or more. And this all dried now. This color. Still wet. This color, primer color is still wet. Time to apply for shiner. So this one is a 1 or 2 coat of shiner. It was badly damaged. Still it need many coats of shiner, acrylic, polish, what you say in your language. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share, comment, and hit the bell icon to get my first of all video. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye. If you have any question about that, how to make the polish, how to make a primer color, comment to me. I will tell you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.